I've had enough of this trendy obsession with drinking fresh fruit. I'm on a mission to tell people it's far better for you just to eat it.
Now, to really make my point, I've got here this repulsive fake arse. Now, this weighs 13 pounds, and that is the amount of weight you could put on in a year if you drank one extra smoothie every single day than your body actually needed. So let's try lifting it. Help! Come here!
Drink one smoothie a day in addition to your normal calorie intake and you could put on weight. But do people know this? If they're not exercising enough to burn off their excess sugar, they could be lumbered with a fat arse like mine.
One portion of that has got more sugar than that.
No.
Did you know that?
No, not at all.
I'd always think that like, a smoothie would be much better for you than a fizzy drink.
Wow.
Let's see your
He's heavy.
13 pounds. Won't be doing any running in that. What's it feel like?
Bit heavy?
Gross.
I drink these because like they're meant to be good for you.
The fruit is better.
I don't want that bottom.
Look, just hold this bottom, just try it.
This is from smoothies. Yeah, that's quite shocking, actually.
When you eat an apple,
Yeah.
it takes twice as long to eat as slurping down that smoothie. Do you know how much weight you put on
I just drink once, one a day.
No, look.
Oh, yeah, just like your size, isn't it?
What do you mean, just like my son? Right, get rid of him. I was going to give you a smoothie and bugger off now. Well, I think I've made my point with that horrible big arse, and I hope very much that the commuters of London will now drink less smoothies and try eating a few more of these. There's only one old smoothie that I've got left to convince.
Janet, good to see you, my darling.
Hello.
Yeah, you're looking absolutely ravishing. Right, what have you been banging on about this week?
I've been taking smoothies out and trying to convert people to drink less smoothies and eat more real fruit.
I love smoothies. What's wrong with them? Seriously.
How many do you eat a week?
One a day.
One a day? You don't?
Yeah, no, seriously.
It's a good job you're hyperactive.
Are they seriously that full of sugar?
They are full of natural sugar, fructose,
Yeah.
which is still sugar.
Yeah, so you're saying eat fresh fruit instead of a smoothie?
Yeah.
I can see you wearing that rubber ass. It suits you. It makes that dress...
I've got the rubber ass.
Oh, you haven't got it on?
No.
I thought we had it on.
This is the rubber ass that you...
sorry.
Look.
OK, oh,
Now
Christ almighty.
that is what Gordon's arse is going to look like if he carries on
Is it-
having a smoothie a day.
For a year.
And if you stop running marathons, God help you, because that's what your bum's going to
But
look
that looks like a pair of boobs.
Oh, go on. Not that high up.
No, it's the
so
Simon
big a bum.
Cowell light. I'm going to let it go down. It's going to sag.
Like everything at 60. As a... Jesus Christ. You'd look nice with a nice, firm buttock like that, Janet. Janet, don't forget your ass! Janet!